Number 10 is artificial, means made, produced, or performed by human beings, often following a natural model or process. Example, most packaged foods contain artificial coloring or flavors. Did you get it? Hello? Okay, I'll repeat. Artificial means made, produced, or performed by human beings, often following a natural model or process. Most packaged foods contain artificial coloring or flavor. That's it.
Hello mga gorong misyonaryo, kamusta? Ito pa yung section Darwin. Ito yung paborito kong section dahil napaka-behave nila at napaka-cooperative kapag kami ay nagle-lesson. Kung mapapansin niyo po, merong ibang mga bata na nakayuko. Akala niyo po tulog sila, hindi po. Marami lang po talaga yung mga bata na masama ang pakiramdam, pero pumapasok pa rin sila. May mga bata na masama ang may sakit, ayan, pumapasok pa rin sila. Kaya nakaka-believe din yung mga bata na kahit may nararamdaman, pinilit nilang pumasok para matututo. I love this section. Ayan, napaka-behave habang sila ay may ginagawa.
A few moments later. One hour later.